Subscribe if you think this puppy is cute. So hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today a new endgame game named as Shockwave. So today me and my brother are gonna review it. As you guys know, I'm a controller player and there is limited amount of mats even. So you can't take a lot of mats. And I need a lot of mats. And you don't have health, you have like knockback. Like Bhavik, don't rush in. And please subscribe a YouTube channel named GT Clan, please, because actually it is the clan which I'm gonna support. And if you want to support me, please support this. Oh my God, 42.
Why are they not getting? Yes.
No, they will not get.
They will not get knocking back.
No, this is like only you will get like knockback, not there is no health in this.
Okay, not that. So I will push into the.
If he's flying a lot means he has a low health.
Oh my God, I am dead.
You are dead?
Will he respawn in this?
No, yeah, after I just yeeted him in the storm. Yikes! Laser beam! I've never heard of laser beam. Oh my God! 180. And please subscribe to. Oh shit!
This is 50.
But it is good. We played a good. We had second. And please subscribe to Bhavik Bhangle event. It is my brother's channel. And be sure to like and subscribe. And
We are getting a free emote.
And if you play like now, you will get a free emote. Even I posted on my channel, so you can go there and like you can see it. Detail row. Okay, we are gonna do it, bro. This time we will stick together. And if you want to play this game mode, it is so good. It is so good.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, what is this?
I got the.
Everybody will get same loot, and I got just I don't understand. Oh my God, how are you? Okay, I can get shield. Oh no.
Come near me. I will show you one thing.
What? Oh my God, you will get deleted.
Like that.
That was English, by the way. Copy of Phyllis. Bro, hit him.
Yeah, so we can just knock them.
Bhavik, they will knock back you. Oh my God. I'm dead. Oh my God, I am dead.
Oh my God.
I just hit him. Yoink. Yoink.
You people are supporting you.
Oh my God, I'm dead.
Yes.
Your team has been eliminated. Oh my
Now
God.
I think so we should play something else.
No, we can play still. We can still play. Oh my. It is showing relocating. Oh my God. And if you want to add me, you can even.
Before your name was very creepy.
And now I am a member of the GT clan. Yep.
What did you say?
Fork knife, food truck. Okay. Fork knife. Okay, let's go. You don't know that's what. Oh my God, bro! What is loot is this? Bhavik, we will stay together. We will stay together. We will stay together.
You got your favorite. You can hide in the bus.
Oh my God, they got the supply drop. Don't break it. Don't break it. Go little. We will just third party them. It will be better. 75. I just hit him.
Eliminated one.
Yeah, why even I eliminated one. Oh my god, I hit him. He got an SMG.
Oh my god, that dog is eating. Yeah. I got 2 eliminations.
Bro, this guy is just grappling.
This guy is grappling.
Yoit!
Oh my god, he's lighting this dog.
Yoit! 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 We are the best. We are the best. I have 42%.
How many eliminations did you do?
2 or 3. 3.
2.
Let's go. We had. Bro, this game mode is sick.
Yeah, that loot was very OP. So
I got 5 elements total. Right?
4 elements total. Yeah.
Gas and grub. Okay.
I don't know this place.
I will. Yeah, I knew that.
Oh, this.
Oh my god, this loot. Shit, a quad launcher, a boogie bomb.
Hello.
Wait, they are going for the supply drop, I think.
Yeah,
And
I will just.
bro, come over here, come over here. They are coming. I just cheated. I just cheated him. Yoink.
Oh
No, I hated him, but.
come on, you can do it.
Yoink. Yoink. See you later, bud. 185. Oh my god. Oh shit.
He was almost killed if you give.
Yeah. But nice. We love this game mode. I think if we even loses, we are gonna play one other one.
I don't know why are you playing at 1 p.m.
Yep. Yeah. For Indian local time, I understand there is like Hunters even, okay?
Hunter heaven.
So like for Indian time it is 1 p.m. and for other time it is like more than. Oh my god, this is my favorite gun.
Flintonox. He is so toxic with the Flintonox. You don't know, guys.
Oh my god. Bro, and there is Yoitness. And who
I
else?
just saw an enemy going at the drop.
Yes, yes, even me. Don't go there.
Ah, I got the light machine gun.
Like,
Purple.
uh,
Oh, this is such a low knock. But when eliminated,
I am telling you guys that I am on controller, not on mobile again and again. Please don't type that mobile player. It is just connected to my mobile.
one more eliminated. I don't know. Yeah.
Oh my god, I am 50%.
Wait, coming in.
I'm gonna yoit him. Yoit!
That dog is late at this.
31.
Oh, I just got ice to die.
Even I did that. 31. Let's go. We
Got another.
I love this
This is a
game
second
mode.
victory royale.
This game mode is sick. Sick game mode,
I
guys.
thought you were gonna say this game mode sucks.
Bro, this game mode is good. I love
Is
it.
this game mode having any code or something like we can?
Yeah, we can play in creative.
Yeah. Like realistic solos.
And if you want the creative code, I will. If you want, just type in the comments, and I will message you right over there.
Yeah.
And
Please.
please,
Next video we can.
and
tell
please
code.
subscribe us. because we are very close to hit like 20 subs, and if we hit 20 subs, I am gonna gift one of my subscriber anything you want. I will see the recent subscribers and who's the 20th one. You have to comment in the description, and the next video I will gift you anything you want.
In Fortnite.
Yep, in Fortnite, not in
Like
other
not
games.
a PS4 or a mobile.
Yep, only in Fortnite games. Bhavik, be careful, be careful.
Going near the drop, but not taking.
And this is an important one. This is like. Bhavik, wait a second. I have crash pads. I went there. P90.
Yeah. Okay.
You hit him.
Yeah, it's a
You hit. I hated him. Oh,
no.
he came back.
Oh, he is not that.
92.
That's not bad. Doesn't matter.
Oh, I hated him.
Oh, where did he go?
Where did he go?
I think that he's the last. Only one enemy.
Oh, let's go.
Victory rush.
Winter Royale. Let's
No
go.
people move. There are no.
I know. I think they left. And guys, if you like this game mode, please comment in the chat.
Oh, we got Victory
And
Royale.
let's go.
Watch out.
Thank you.
And guys, please subscribe to GT Clan.